Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day today. Today I'm all hyper and giddy and excited because I have lots to share with you. Lots. Eek! If you saw my last video, you will see that the Lion and I went to Harrods for the day. If you haven't seen it, I will link it down in the description below so you can go and check out the little vloggy vlog. We went in specifically for me to pick up something that I had ordered through my client advisor and to try something on, and those were both Fendi pieces. And then while we were there, we had a little look around. We went to Loewe again. I've changed my mind on the size of the puzzle bag that I would like. I'm now all guns a-blazing for the mini size rather than the small. You might see that I actually tried it on in a tan colour, which has now gone to the top of my list in terms of colours for the puzzle bag, and I never saw that coming. I'm not a brand kind of girl. I really am not a brand kind of girl. Definitely, I don't think I've ever had anything tan in my life, apart from maybe my winter jacket. Anyway, you're not interested in that. It was a fabulous trip though. I got to try loads of stuff on. Can't believe I tried on some ready to wear and everything, and we were looked after. The champagne that my client advisor gave us was brilliant. She was teasing the Lion about me stealing his Alexander McQueen, because when the last time we were in there, he was looking at the card holder, like the one I bought, the 6 sort of 3 slots down each side. He was looking at that for himself with the yellow trim, which actually Jane Church has. She bought that one. He was a little bit jealous when I told him about that, but he didn't go for that. He bought the Alexander McQueen wallet card holder instead, and she mentioned it to him. Oh, you were here last time. He went, oh, look what I got, and she was laughing, and oh, it was lovely while I was running around trying things on. We haven't eaten the bickies yet, but look at these little peekaboo. That's not going to focus, is it? Look at these little peekaboo bickies. Aren't they cute? Okay, so we're going to get into some unboxing in a moment, but I am going to tell you now that this is going to be a two-parter because I bought way too much. I bought way too much. The Lion bought me a gift as well. So it's going to be a two-parter. Today's unboxing is going to be all about the actual Fendace pieces, because although all of the packaging, I got the bags and everything, shopping bags, are Fendace, only 2 things are Fendace, and the others things are normal Fendi. It was an absolute Fendi Rama. It was Fendi a go-go. It was a Fendi-tastic kind of day. So let's get into the unboxing. Ooh, before we do that, if you are new to my channel, then welcome. I'm a bit giddy, but I am Gwenny, and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay. Oh, something I do need to show you, actually. This isn't, I'm not unboxing this until the next video, because this is part of the Fendi only stuff, but I noticed this and I thought, oh look, there's just a little Fendace sticker, but it isn't. It's a little clippy thing with the Fendi Roma on it. So that is going to be used in here as like a page finder, because I haven't yet got my dividers, so I'm going to use it as a little page finder so I can see what week we're on. So happy with that. I giggled like a loon when I noticed that that actually came off. Okay, so first up, Fendace shopping bag, little Fendi ribbon on the top there. Very cute, very pretty. Let's pop you here so I can undo you. I don't know if I really need to undo you, but I'm going to undo you. Gosh, getting on the train home and everything with these 3 bags, I felt very conspicuous. Now, the first thing we bought, the lion actually spotted, look at that little Fendace dust bag. The lion actually spotted this and he went, oh, those are really cute actually, and I had to agree. They looked so much nicer in person than they did on the website, and he said, I can see you taking that to the pool, I can see it on the side, because that was made to sit on the side in the bathroom of a suite in Caesar's Palace, Las Vegas. I have got here the medium beauty pouch. This came in 2 sizes. This has got the pink FF, the pink Zucker print, and the Versace Baroque. We've got on the zipper pull is the Versace safety pin with the Medusa's head on it. You can see that. With the Medusa's head on it, and it's got the FF O-lock there, and I have to agree with him. It makes me want to go back and actually buy that swimsuit that I was looking at as well. This, by the pool. Hello! This is made of nylon, and so it'll be really easy to keep clean and everything. It is, the measurements, just reading it from the screen here, the measurements are 16 centimetres, 12 centimetres by 22.5 centimetres. This is the medium. There is a smaller version of this as well, but the smaller version was quite a bit, not quite as wide, so things like brushes, stuff like that wouldn't sit in there. It's more for your smaller little knickknacks. This, you can put everything in. It's stuffed at the moment, but then it would squish down, so perfect for travelling. Lovely action on the zip, lovely action, and she stuffed it for me, which was very nice. And on the inside you've got the tobacco Zucker prints. Oh, and there's the little Fendace made in Italy tab. So how many pockets have we got in here? So there's no pockets down one side and 2 pockets down the other side, so you could slip your lady products in there for something a little bit discreet. But yes, this I absolutely see myself pop down to the pool. May end up, when not in use, may end up being a decoration piece, may end up being used every single day with my Louis Vuitton Nice Mini on the side in our bedroom. That is beautiful. That is the first piece of Fendace that we picked up, and to be honest, I wasn't really thinking about picking up any other Fendace after, you know, after the thing with the baguette and the website crashing and everything. Oh look, it's got little tabs on it as well there. So I wasn't really thinking about picking anything up. I love the scarf that Autumn Beckman managed to pick up, and a couple of other people have picked up some, like the sunshine tote, the little baby sunshine totes. They look really, really cute as well. And I did have a look and I did have a play with those while we were there. So that's the first piece of Fendace. I just love, 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 love these dust bags. Just so extra. We like a bit of extra. Right, so the lion actually spotted this. We were in agreement as to which size would be the best size. The lion bought me this piece as a gift because I am wonderful. Wait, because he is wonderful. He bought me this. I've got it upside down, obs, because, you know, professionalism, Gwenny. Excellent. So yeah, he bought me this as a gift, and he should hate this. He should hate pretty much everything about this, but he loved it. So when she whipped it out, he was like, it's fabulous. Fendace Fabulous. It's a very substantial box here. There we go, that's the lid of the box. And in here, what do you think this could potentially be, given the size and everything? Feels quite weighty there. Oh, and hello. The box is, this is never going to show up on camera, but the box is lined in a sort of microfibery, very slightly padded fabric to keep your gorgeousness gorgeous and looked after and everything. So he really should have hated this, and he really loved it. Let's get you the right way around. The lion bought for me as a little gifty poos, the Nano Baguette in the tobacco zucca print Baroque safety pin, oversized, what do you call it? I'm so giddy, I can't remember words. Fastening, emblem, magnetic closure, poppy thing. So it has the this safety pin. Now I was thinking that this safety pin, you could actually open it, but it doesn't. I thought you could open it and then pop it on something, like a little bag charm or something. I'm fairly certain I've seen someone do that, but I can't work out how to do it. Oh wait, it looks like there's a tiny little screw there, so you could potentially unscrew it, drop this down. So I mean, it's possible, but it would be a lot of effort, and you know how we feel about faff on this channel. So yeah, oh look at it. I will do proper close-up shots, and you're going to have to excuse my chipped fingernails. I mean, it wasn't as busy as the last time we went into Harrods, but it was still a battle, and I'm showing the battle scars, or at least my nails are. Yeah, and this is one of the things that absolutely killed the lion. The gold leather lining. Oh my gosh. Let's take some of this out. So this is the, oh look at the label, even the label, they had to fold it up to put it in there because it's so dinky. So dinky. Right, and we've got a little chain here. We'll check out that chain in a second. Let's read some stuff here. Nano version of the iconic baguette bag with flap and FF fastening with magnetic clasp and Medusa safety pin brooch. The brooch acts as a clip, so it can be attached to larger bags or belts like a charm. Right, so you can do it. It just looks like it might be a bit tricky. Born of the creative collaboration between the two fashion houses, the graphics combine the iconic FF Fendi logo with a Versace gold Baroque print, gold finished metalware. This is 8 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 12 centimeters, and the shoulder strap drop is 59 centimeters. So if that's 59 centimeters, that would make it 60 centimeters-ish, which would make it 120, which is the perfect crossbody length for me. So this little chain strap here, this is removable. It's got little clips for the little D-rings there, and it is adjustable. Now, I watched what she was doing. I don't think there's anything you have to press. I think you've just got to be a little bit firm with it. Oh, so giddy. Let's pop you close. So that's on a magnetic popper. Let's take this off because there's no way in hell that this is going back. There we go. Let's take that off. And that's the little chain strap. So you could wear it as a little shoulder or crossbody, and it's long enough that even on me, it is not sitting up here, which is something I experience with a few crossbody straps. Yes, I am wearing denim cut-offs, but I made an effort with my lipstick. Okay, and we're going to peel this off together. terrifying. She is mine, she is mine. Now, I believe if you are able to, you could clip this round potentially and wear it like a teeny tiny little bum bag. Anyway, getting super distracted. I am going to use this, probably not as a bag charm, on something else. If I can work out how to open the safety pin without having to use a little screwdriver or something like that, I will work it out, and then I could potentially wear it as a clip on my belt loop. Look how shiny. These two, I think, are actually perfect for me because it gives me something from the collection. It gives me that full-on Versace Fendi flavour without it being a little bit too much. I got to see the white silk baguette. Didn't like it, didn't like the way it felt, didn't like the way it looked. I got to see, they had a couple of the Peekaboos which don't show up online. There are a few pieces that never went online, and you would have to find them in store because they only did them in store. And my client advisor mentioned about the Peekaboos in general. You can't buy them online anymore. They want to push people in store. So these two I am very happy with. Thank you so much for the lion. I basically smashed my budget. The lion had to lend me the money to buy this for myself, and he bought me this as a prezi because he is wonderful. Those are my two faintly ridiculous but frankly fabulous Fendace pieces. I am delighted. I cannot wait to rock this little bad boy on the first night out that I go on, because you best believe my card, my Rennies and my lipstick are going in here, and that is all I shall take. Phone will go in the back pocket or in the lion's pocket. Yes, that's what we like. Let me know what you think of these two little ridiculous pieces. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Give me your thoughts on the Fendace collection down below in the comments. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please do show it the thumbs up love, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, which is more Fendi unboxings. Please stay safe. Be kind to yourselves. I'm distracted. They're there. I can see them. And distracting. Be kind to yourselves. Be kind to others. Stay Fandabbydozy. And bye-bye.